a little intimidating, but it's not bad. I jumped in. See? You don't sink in. See, it's not bad at all.
Just wait, Joey. Just wait.
See, you kind of slide in on your belly and keep your weight balanced. It's not bad.
Wow.
No, that is not.
See, it's scary when you think about it, but it's not, once you do it, it's not a big deal.
Somebody's got to
No.
get back.
You ready, Jenna?
That was good,
Do
Jude.
that again.
Hold on,
I'm gonna
Joey.
just clean the fog out of my goggles first.
All right.
That is awesome.
You got something I never did.
All right, fish. Let's get away from the green ones so we don't hit it.
Same here.
Ready now.
Get out whenever you want.
Hey, Dad, are you gonna get out?
Yeah, I will.
You won't
Okay,
sink.
come on,
I
get out.
guarantee. See?
How's his life
Wow,
insurance?
I'm floating.
Now you want to come up to the side of it. Just pull yourself up and keep low. You got it?
I can't get out. Okay, Dad.
Grab the other side.
It's not cold. Let me get
All right, give me your hand.
Take the foot.
I'm going to have to help you.
Muscles.
I know. I want to get out.
All right?
I think I might just have to float back.
You don't have to sit.
I can't get in my kayak. Oh, darn.
Give me your other hand.
You're
I
not,
can't get.
he's not trying yet.
All right.
Playing.
Climb in.
You're going to give you a buck if you make it in.
I'll give you a buck too. That's $2.
Okay.
Okay, give me your other hand.
Okay.
Go for it.
You got to grab onto the other side where the seat's at, maybe, buddy.
Yeah, try to grab onto this rail between yourselves. Your feet are all the way over here. All right. You're on that, you're on that.
Good, buddy. Keep going. You can snuggle your way up there.
Yeah, don't worry. You can get out. These kayaks are stable. You can get on.
All right, Joan.
Get balanced. Yeah, see if you have
Okay,
balance
my
button?
turn.